Welcome to Islamness. Start with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim are the two most authentic books of Hadith in Islam after the Qur'an. But what makes these books so reliable? In this video, we will explain the exact criteria used by Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim when selecting Hadith. Criteria of Sahih al-Bukhari. Imam Muhammad ibn Ismail al-Bukhari, 156 AH, created the strictest conditions ever used by any scholar of Hadith. This is why Sahih Bukhari is considered the most authentic Hadith book in Islam. Below are his full criteria. 1. Unbroken chain of narrators, Ittisal al-Isnad. A Hadith is accepted only if every narrator clearly received the Hadith from the one before him. The transmission must be connected without missing links. This rule eliminates Mursal Mu'allaq, Munkati, any broken chain. 2. Narrators must have met Alika. This is one of the strictest conditions of Imam Bukhari. To accept a narration, the narrators must have proven actual meetings with each other. Not just living in the same era, they must have met physically. This requirement makes Sahih Bukhari stricter than Sahih Muslim. 3. Narrators must be completely trustworthy. Adala, each narrator must have known honesty, strong Islamic character, piety, and integrity, no record of lying, no major sins or suspicious behavior. If a narrator had a questionable reputation, Imam Bukhari rejected the Hadith. 4. Narrators must have the highest level of memory. Dabt. Imam Bukhari only accepted narrators with exceptional memory, perfect accuracy, flawless preservation, whether oral or written. Even narrators considered reliable by others were rejected if their memory was slightly lower. 5. No contradiction with stronger narrations. A hadith must not go against a more authentic chain, have conflicting versions with stronger narrators, contain errors noted by expert critics. If contradictions existed, Bukhari rejected it. 6. No hidden defects. Imam Bukhari was a master in detecting hidden problems in hadith. These include a narrator who was present but did not actually hear the hadith, narrators mixing up names, subtle chain inconsistencies, changes in wording. If he found even minor defects, he rejected the narration. Summary of Bukhari's criteria: proven meeting between narrators, unbroken chain, high trustworthiness, highest memory level, no contradictions, no hidden defects. This is why Sahih al-Bukhari is the strongest book after the Qur'an. Criteria of Sahih Muslim. Imam Muslim ibn al-Hajjaj, DMI 261 AH, also set very high standards, although slightly less strict than Bukhari. Here are his criteria in detail. 1. Unbroken chain, Ittisal. Like Bukhari, Imam Muslim only accepted fully connected chains. No missing narrators, no weak links. However, he did not require proof of meeting between narrators. He accepted chains where narrators lived in the same period. It was possible that they met. This is a key difference from Bukhari. 2. Narrators must be trustworthy. Adala, every narrator must be honest, reliable, known for Islamic character. He did not accept narrators accused of lying or immorality. 3. Narrators must have strong memory. Dabt. Imam Muslim accepted narrators who had strong memory, good accuracy. But while Bukhari required top-level precision, Muslim accepted narrators with slightly lower but still reliable memory. 4. No serious contradictions. The hadith must not oppose a stronger chain, conflict with highly reliable narrators, show mistakes in wording or narration. If contradictions existed, he rejected the hadith. 5. No hidden defects. Ilal. Although Muslim was not as strict as Bukhari, he still carefully checked subtle problems in chains, weak wording, possible errors, incorrect attributions. He rejected narrations with unclear defects. Summary of Muslim's criteria: unbroken chain, trustworthy narrators, strong memory, no contradiction, no hidden defects, meeting between narrators not required but possible. These two books are the most authentic because both Imams spent their lives traveling for Hadith, studied from over 1,000 scholars, compared multiple chains, tested narrators, examined both chain and text, applied scientific methods centuries before modern research. Their works were reviewed, accepted, and praised by all major Islamic scholars for more than 1,200 years. Conclusion: Sahih al-Bukhari is the most authentic book after the Qur'an due to its unmatched strictness. Sahih Muslim is also extremely reliable and the second most authentic hadith collection. Together, they form the foundation of authentic Sunnah in Islam. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to watch our next video.